Tip 1. Plan your itinerary wisely. While planning your tour in Europe, bear in mind that a packed itinerary might end up being exhausting. Try to balance your schedule and avoid cramming too many destinations or activities into one day. Make sure to give yourself plenty of time to appreciate the sights you see and to rest in between. Tip 2. Consider travel insurance. Travel insurance is important for seniors as it can cover expenses such as medical treatments, loss of personal belongings, or any unforeseen cancellation costs. This will put your mind at ease knowing that you are protected no matter what happens during your trip. Tip 3. Pack lightweight and comfortable clothing. Europe's weather can vary greatly, so consider packing layers. Shoes should be comfortable and suitable for walking since most European towns and cities are best explored on foot. Tip 4. Travel via train. One of the most comfortable and scenic ways to travel in Europe is by train. European trains are typically punctual, efficient, and offer more legroom compared to airplanes. Moreover, senior travelers can often benefit from discounts on train fares. Tip 5. Stay hydrated and eat healthily. Keeping hydrated is important, particularly during the summer months. Maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Remember, Europe is renowned for its food, so take the opportunity to enjoy the local cuisine. Tip 6. Make use of senior discounts. Various attractions in Europe offer senior discounts, so always inquire about these when purchasing tickets. Make sure you carry identification that verifies your age, such as a passport. Tip 7. Embrace European lifestyle. Europeans are known for their laid-back lifestyle. Try scheduling a late afternoon or early evening siesta and enjoy leisurely meals. This not only allows you to experience local cultures, but also to rest and relax. Tip 8. Travel off-peak. Europe can be bustling with tourists in the summertime. Booking your visit off-season will allow you to enjoy the sights without huge crowds, and accommodation and flights may be cheaper too. Tip 9. Stay connected. Keeping in touch with family or friends back home is important. Make sure you have a suitable international phone plan or use local internet cafes. Tip 10. Book guided tours. Guided tours are an excellent way to explore popular attractions. They often provide detailed information about the landmarks and sites, and some even offer senior discounts. Plus, being part of a group can increase your safety. Tip 11. Stay safe. Keep physical copies of important documents like passports and IDs in a secure place, and leave copies with trusted family members or friends back home. Be aware of pickpockets in crowded areas, and keep an eye on your belongings at all times. Consider taking a basic first aid kit for minor health issues. Remember, your health and safety should always be the top priority.